Yeah, everybody's saying it's a nice river. There's bits to do, bit of a rest, bits to do, bit of rest. Oh, he's caught us up. Too late now. That was a lot more work than it needed to be.
There's a skull there. There's like a spine down this way. Jesus Christ. Found the river again. Come all the way down there. Got to here. No. I've already climbed through barbed wire already. It's like a caravan site there, I think, through them bushes. Oh my god. I do not want to go back. Welcome to day 43. The river's down that way, I think. But then it's completely blocked off. See a bit of wood over there, so I'm kind of hoping this is a gate to get through to the camping site. Not the real camping site, that's still like a mile away obviously. I mean, it's like another site with caravans, I think. Sounds like a stream. I do hope there's a bridge. I might as well have swum already, but state of these shoes, which are not waterproof in the slightest. I saw like part of a spine a minute ago, that was neat. Oh my god, there's a spine! This is definitely not a bridge, but there's a camping thing. Yep. So I have to go all the way over. Oh my god. Well, I'll be back.
My sandwiches are at that side of bank. Where are my sandwiches? Yeah, but my sandwiches are on this side of river. He's got me scones with jam and cream and everything over there.
It's day 89 and the stream's down there somewhere. Found this path. That's cool, I like to go all the way back. But I'm almost at the top. Apparently they stopped for lunch like 10 minutes ago, maybe 15 by now. So that's how far away they are, that's like so far. I thought we were almost getting somewhere. And there's like a no access sign with a lot of barbed wire around the fence. So I had to like walk all the way back around. Oh my god, there's a fence. There's a gate, please. Please be unlocked. Here we go. I got a call, so that's the end of this vlog. Oh, look at those. There's the campsite I ran about earlier. Just like walk all the way around and then back this way. There is one thing I learned today. I'm never doing this again. I almost died like 3 times where I've seen 3 dead things already. That's the first living thing I've seen all day. That bloody horse. So a bit of an update. Found the stream again, it is like down there somewhere. Can't see it from this angle, but I also like remembered I have a drink in my bag. So I'm alive with pleasure now. I can see a car coming up, so hopefully that'll run me over soon. Probably should get out of the way of that really. Oh, it's a bike, that's not going to do it. That steel bridge there, which people kept saying is like dangerous, so I'm not going to walk across that. The water's getting louder though, which is promising, and there's more like civilization. I also can't see any people, with or without boats, which is probably more important, but there are sheep. Oh my god. Go on, Phil! Found this thing here. It looks like it leads down to the water. How do you open this gate? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's like coming down there, but I don't know how close to the river that gets. It started like raining again. It's that fine rain that sucks you through, you know. What Peter Kay always nags on about. And apparently they are that way. I can see something blue over there. But if you can see on the camera, probably not. Oh yeah, I can see him, I can see him. It's definitely people. Well, didn't want any sandwiches, which is fair enough. It's like kind of busy. I'm not drowning. Didn't seem too excited when I said I don't want to do this again. Can't imagine why. Hello, son. Want to be involved in something I do? No, never again. No, I don't know what's wrong with that. Ran into someone again. We were at the top, walked a little bit down, and then disappeared. But then we found them again on the road, in a car. So she gave me a lift down to where they're going to be getting out. So now I'm just walking back up on a real path, on the right side of the river. And we're going to try to find them. Guess who's got a sandwich? Yeah, alright. This is progress. It's like, okay, there's a path this way, and a path that way. River's here. This looks like it's got better views, but you know, might fall in, it might end badly again. Well, I'm going to go the normal path, to be honest. I'm not going to risk that one. Got some crisps in my pocket, that's pretty cool. If it sounds like I'm walking in puddles, that's inside my shoes, not on the path, by the way. Birds, they're a thing. What is that? Looks like a plant pot's been broken. Ah, there's a path down there, and this is like the veers off further. We're going to go down a dangerous path. It looks like I'll actually see stuff. Wish me luck. Ah, it's raining again. Ah. Oh, thank God for that. Now to make my way back up here. This way. Don't slip on the moss. Got the roots. Okay, cool, we're making it back. Yeah, making it back alive. Right, back onto the path.